जी का प्रॉब्लम ही यही है, देखो चलना ही नहीं चाहती है। चल बाबू, मैं इतना सुबह सुबह उठ के आई वेक अप फॉर जस्ट हर so that she will get to walk at least for half an hour, and then I can keep her home, and then I can keep Hazel. But see, look at her. She doesn't want to walk only. This is how she will stand. Okay, if you want to stand, I will also stand here. कहीं नहीं जाते हैं, बस यहाँ पे ही रुकते हैं, इधर उधर देखते हैं और फिर घर पे जाते हैं। ओके ओए ओए बाबे, ओके आ। हेज़ल की बारी है, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शो यू दिस टेम्पल. So this temple is actually very old temple, and before this all built, this temple was there, and now the builder has designed it so beautifully that this forms a circle, and between this in the center of that circle this temple is there. So yeah, it's Mahadev ka temple. What I love to see the most in our house is this. Look at her. The way she sits there and she enjoys how people are moving, dogs are moving, how everything is happening. It's just lovely. And I am proud of myself that I am giving her this life. That's what it matters, right? क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ पे? मेरा बेबा, ओ मेरा बेबा. मेरा बेबा है ये छोटा सा बेबा है मेरा, बहुत ही प्यारा बेबा है ये तो. यस, ये बाउनी बाउनी आगे किसकी है ये भाई? बहुत प्यारी है ये, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी है. But not easy to actually cope up with Siri's energy, because from the start Siri is over energetic. Now also she is playing. She never. Hey Siri off. Say. खा लो, बटर पेपर खाया उसने. Like I said, she is very hard to handle, and I have handled her and made peace with it, that okay, this is what it is and I can't do anything about it. So nature is nature, obvious. I have trained her to avoid any mishaps or anything, but her nature is like that only. जो बच्चा रहता है ना, जो बहुत मस्तीखोर रहता है, वैसी है वो. तो उसको ऐसे मस्ती करना अच्छा लगता है, यहाँ पे जाके वहाँ पे जाके कुछ ना कुछ तो करती ही रहती है. सो या वो हमारे घर का वो वाला बच्चा है, और ये वाला है जो बहुत ही शांत, जो सुंदर और सुशील वाला जो बच्चा रहता है, वो है ये बच्चा, छोटा सा बच्चा ये भी. बट शी डजंट लाइक टू बी डिस्टर्ब व्हाइल शी इज स्लीपिंग, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब हर मच. अभी देखो कैसे उसने तिरछी आँख दी है मुझे, द साइड आई. आज कंस्ट्रक्शन बंद है, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट साउंड्स. nothing. It sounds nothing. It sounds silence. It's peaceful. You know, when we came to live here, so yeah, sorry. So when we came to live here, it was this area, the construction wala area was empty, and there were grass and some plants over there which were grown up, and it was nothing, miss. There was no security guard, there was nothing. And since last 2 years this construction has started. First they started with the Pokulan, which is the the vehicle is not vehicle, you can say it's kind of drill machine to drill the land. So they started with that, and since last 2 years the sound, the noise, it's still there. The no, earlier it was noise of that drill, then now the noise of this whole construction, like ठक ठक ठुक ठुक कुछ ना कुछ तो चालू ही रहता है इनका. And since we live on 10th floor, it's for us it's actually torturing. तो हमारा जो ये विंडो है, आई मोस्टली कीप इट क्लोज बिकॉज यहाँ पे ही काम करती हूँ. तो इफ़ आई कीप दिस ओपन आई कांट वर्क ऑल्सो, इतना आवाज़ रहता है. सो टुडे आई जस्ट वेंट आउट फॉर सम टाइम एंड आई फेल्ट like something is different. And even I asked Akshay also. I called Akshay and asked, like, is there anything today, miss, any holiday is there or what? He said no. Why? And I told him that the construction work is stopped for today, I guess, and it's so peaceful. Even he started to laugh. So this is what we deserve, right, miss? The peaceful nature wherever we live, we deserve this. But in order to build a place where we are living, we have to face this also. That is what is human nature. I don't know when this will stop. Somewhere we have to stop somewhere. And I'm telling you guys now on this vlog, I don't know in coming 5 years if all this greenery will be there or not. I really don't know, because here also it was green, it was very much beautiful, but now you can see what is there. So yeah.